When talking about a person's blood type, why do we have positive and negative blood? The positive and negatives refer to something called an Rh factor. These Rh factors are just more antigens found on the red blood cells. When a person has positive blood, they have these antigens. When a person has negative blood, they don't have these antigens. Remember that these antigens are little markers found on cells that helps your immune system identify your cells versus cells that aren't yours. Now, people with positive blood can either be homozygous or heterozygous for this trait. Homozygous people have two positive alleles for the Rh factor. People who are heterozygous have a positive and negative. However, their cells still have the antigens. People with negative blood are homozygous negative for having the Rh factor. I love this graphic that shows us the difference between AB, O blood, and positive and negative blood. You can see in the positive blood, they have an extra set of antigens called the Rh factor. And the negative blood on the bottom doesn't have this Rh factor. Now, the reason we call these antigens the Rh factor is we first identified these antigens in a species of primate called the rhesus monkey, and these 45 antigens were first identified back in the 1940s. Again, more evidence that we share a recent common ancestor with all primates.